Generally, there are two kinds of service needed by air conditioner frequently or twice a year. First is dry service and second one is wet service. In dry service, you can remove and clean the evaporator filter, indoor drain tray and outdoor unit with the help of blower. But this only is not enough for your air conditioner to feel comfort cooling. Apart from this, you must have to call an engineer for wet servicing of air conditioner. But during this pandemic COVID-19 situation, nobody wants to allow someone in their bedroom for air conditioner services. So, in this kind of situation, self-clean technology will be helpful for you. Self-clean technology allows you to experience cooling that gives you the comfort of natural wind. Self-clean technology is a highest patent technology which allows you to clean the evaporator of the split air conditioner. This task can be performed by the simple click of a button. This kind of mechanism available in two brands of market with two different names. In higher SCIT self-clean inverter technology and in Hitachi fresh air means frost wash technology. The frost wash technology is basically a inverse balance cleaning technology. That means that aims to maintain the balance between cleanness and comfort. Talking about its working, over the course of its operation, dust and bacteria build up in the heat exchanger of indoor unit, significantly affecting the quality of air it outputs. Frost wash freezes water moisture that collect around the heat exchanger, trapping dust and bacteria in a thick layer of frost. This frost is later melted and flushed away by the drain pipe. During test, frost was also removed up to 93% of mold and bacteria from the interior of the unit, both particles that are harmful for the health. According to Hitachi, when frost was first introduced in Japan, frost wash was well received, with over 90% of owners testifying of its benefits. Following this good reception, the technology is now available throughout the world and is a default feature in a most of Hitachi's range of premium models. So you can enjoy this unique feature in both brands, Hitachi and Hayato. So we are going to conclude this video here only. Hope this content will be informative for you.